Some salt in the rice for the rice cooker. Mix it up twice for the rice cooker. It's gonna taste nice in the rice cooker. Yep. Then I'll put some rice in the rice cooker. Gonna put some rice.